How to play a YouTube in background without premium. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can play your YouTube video in background without premium. So what you need to do is open up a YouTube app and then go to your profile in the bottom right corner, and then you need to go to the gear icon in the top right, scroll down and go to playback under video and audio preferences, and then toggle on picture in picture. So uh if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.